complete the box in this expression. Now, we are going to do what we call the mapping. That is from the initial to final. Looking at this now, you can see we have the box here. These are the left. And this one is none. Looking at this side, this is none. This is also none. So we map like this. This is like the final, and these are the initial at this side. So it goes like this. Then we map this one to this side also. And don't forget, if you want to find the multiplier, that's going to be the final divided by the what? Initial. So multiplier. The final divided by the initial. What is the final? Equivalently, for the denominators, the two denominators are known. That's why we are using them. So because we have 8yz squared divided by what? This side divided by 2y. The final divided by the initial. So in that case, y here 1, y here 1. Now, 2 here 1, 2 in 8. What do we have? 4. That is 8 divided by 2, we have 4. So here we have what? 4z squared. 4z squared is the multiplier. Now, it means that if you multiply 4z squared and 2y, you will get 8yz squared. 4 times 2, what do we have? 8. And y times z squared, we have a yz squared. So it means that 2y times 4z squared give us 8yz squared. Now, let's get the expression inside the box. So the box will now be what? It means you are going to, for you to get the expression inside this box, you multiply, use the multiplier to multiply what you have at the right hand side here at the numerator, because what you have to find is the equivalent numerator to this expression. So it means that we have what? 4z squared times 3xw squared. So what do we have? It means that we have what? 3 times 4, we have what? 12. Then 12x w squared z squared. 4 times 3, that's 12. So the x that is here, we have it here. So w squared z squared. And that is what you are going to have inside the box. We can write it here. That is what? 12x w squared z squared. So that is the solution to the problem.